when it comes to these things. Understand? Like the very same initiation, Tina, that we know as the initiation of abduction. A person is being taken underwater and they come back after some time. But now they did it purposely, right? It was deliberate. It was a ritual where a person had to actually dive underwater and they would actually put crocodiles in there. You had to dive underwater and you had to move through these crocodiles and then move to the other side and then come out, as a symbolic initiation.
AI, it was part of his pseudoscience, and now it's real. It's no longer pseudoscience. It's part of science now. Angazi maybe if I go category wabo quantum fusion or whatever, listen to yabo. So they've been studying already in electromagnetic field and how the soul is, which is our blue original color, which is blue, sky blue, which is the flame of Uba, which is God, or abanye bambiza umdali, abanye bambiza ubani bani. That flame is within us. Sometimes
energies that the nature is gonna be channeling in, actually, because some we might not be ready for. So as grounding is gonna help us to balance our energies, like so.
Yeah, for real. Because even walking, I can imagine walking barefooted, it does ground, a person.
Yeah, so we should purify our spirits. Let's
Wanna hold it.
Yeah, so like into yokugcina engayo ukuthi no, like ama-portal for connecta nomoya avulekile yiso lesi isikhathi. So if you can, like, whether trance or however wena usi-activate ngayo, sleep deprivation abanye, yiso isikhathi lesi kuzoba easy ukuthi
the many dreams that people are going to be having at this time, they're going to be dreaming about water. They want to be dreaming about the river, the ocean. So they must also watch out what kind of color the water is. If the water is dirty, they must know that spiritually it means they are dirty, right? If the water is clean, nice, clear, blue, then it means the aura is clear. You understand?